Hey there. Let's dive into the latest tech news that you won't want to miss. Story 1. Nothing OS 5.0 is here. Nothing OS 5.0 is officially here. This Android 17 update will take some time to reach everyone, but it's finally rolling out. Story 2. PS Plus, September, lineup revealed. Exciting news for PS Plus fans. Get ready for new games in September, including the upcoming Into the Radius 2. Story 3. Perplexity launches portable computer. Check this out. Perplexity's new portable computer runs an AI agent locally, fully on your hardware. No token costs needed.